What's up and good evening, dear esteemed guests and friends. This is, of course, one and only Light Liger here, and today I'm doing a tutorial on Hard Protocol, which is the world's first cross-chain money market that allows you to lend, borrow, and earn with your crypto today. And Hard Protocol basically exists on Kava's blockchain. There's also tokens on Binance Smart Chain as well. And the first thing we're going to be doing in order to access the platform is through connecting our wallet. And as of right now, there's two different ways to do that. That is through Ledger, which I sadly still don't have. It's about time I buy one. And then there is obviously Trust Wallet, where you can also hold your Kava tokens and also all Kava assets. So first thing we're going to do is choosing Trust Wallet, and now you have to open your phone. Obviously you can access all of this through your phone, but I always like to do things on PC because it's easier for me to record and just access this here and have just a better picture what's going on. And now I'm basically logged in with my Kava address into the application, and I can see how much money I have supplied so far, what is the earn APY, and what is the amount that is being borrowed. And in order to borrow, obviously, in case you're new to DeFi, you always have to have some supply in stock in order to basically borrow something. And I think the borrowing features are currently not available, or at least they're not available for Kava. Maybe if I'm going to be supplying for something else here, it maybe show us differently. So in the Kava's blockchain, you obviously have Bitcoin, you have XRP, you have Binance Dollar, BNB, and you have Hard Protocol, and then you have USDX. And on the bottom side, you can also see your hard rewards. So by actually participating on the blockchain and supplying Kava, you will be earning hard rewards by doing this. And we can click claim button, and I can see the rewards vesting. So if I'm gonna be waiting for a lower amount of rewards, I can claim them now or in a 1 month. Or I can also do 12 months and get a bonus for instance as well. So I'm going to be choosing the network fee as very low, and then I'm going to click claim. And there should be a transaction coming through on your Trust Wallet, and I'm going to be confirming it. It will be interesting to see what will be the actual costs here, which is very important to understand that this is a DeFi protocol. And this allows you to pretty accessible DeFi tools here and earning interest with very, very low transaction cost. If you're going to be supplying, Ethereum tokens under the Ethereum blockchain, it is going to be very expensive process. Now, this is extremely a lot more easier on the side of Kava, because Kava is a lot more affordable. So let's see how much actually was the cost here. Okay, as you can see, the fee was literally zero, so we paid nothing. Absolutely nothing was paid here in order to acquire these hard tokens. And we can see the account here and the receiver address and the reward address. And I think here we can see our tokens. So I put this here on $100 at end of December, 28th of December. So in a 1 month, I guess we got like $2 worth of hard, or most, or 1.34, I guess, which is not half bad in my opinion. So that is around what, 12% per year or something. So that's not too bad. And as I said, there are no fees, and that is the claim balance, and the next unlock will be in February 1st in 73 days. And you can also expand this and have a bit of an idea of the rewards and etc. And how to supply, well, that is very easy. So I put out some new Kava here, and I got 6.9 Kava here. I'm gonna leave some of that Kava to pay out certain of the fees, and I'm gonna be supplying here into the Kava pool, and I will be getting interest once again accepting here on my Trust wallet. Sometimes due the connection might be a bit slow, or when you first time try to put out the QR code through desktop, I had like a couple of tries until I was able to make the confirmation to go through. And actually, let's refresh the tab so we can access the balance page while it actually confirms. Okay, seems we need to connect again, apparently. So this is one of the things I don't like about the Wallet Connect system, is that when you refresh the pages or something, it forces you to connect again. So this process might be a lot much easier on actually on Ledger. But that's also a very nice feature to kind of like access any DeFi application altogether through the DeFi application. Okay, sometime now again, just when I'm actually recording, I am having trouble of getting through the application and getting the thing secured. So bit of a problematic, but let's try again. But we can still actually look at the numbers without being logged in, I guess. So as I said, the percentages are pretty good here when we look at the APY. So the amount of Kava we would be getting, how much USDX, how much BNB, the BUSD, the PTCB, and the XRP. These are very, very competitive percentages in my opinion. And it's something you might want to consider when you're actually yield farming and etc. And there's probably going to be a lot more tokens going to be supported in the future on the application. There's also a very extensive guide top of this. I mean, I pretty much showed everything how it works. So in case it wasn't clear enough, there's everything displayed here. So remember, by the way, the Kava exists also on the Binance Smart Chain on the Binance chain as BIP2 tokens. So basically the Kava is its own blockchain. It starts with Kava something. The BIP2 tokens always have a different nominator or the address type, and you obviously can get Kava from Binance and multiple different exchanges, and it's a very, very simple process to basically access this thing. And the hard protocol is just going to be one of these many different options that are going to be existing on other blockchains. And a couple of videos ago, we talked about the Venus one. And all of these are great options for those who want to kind of escape the gas fees right now, because with some yield farming options right now in the Ethereum space, you might actually pay up to $30 to do a simple transaction. So it's not actually very affordable. But when we actually go into the direction of Kava, for instance, as I showed just a minute ago on the transaction IDs, you can literally make it zero because it's not so congested as a network. So that's kind of my rundown of the hard protocol. This is something you want to definitely leave eye on and maybe access these services here. There must be also a website where you can bridge over these tokens and these coins into the Kava's blockchain. Might be on Kava's own website, where is the actual bridge. When I find it, I'm gonna leave it down below into the description, because I think it is one of those other opportunities which you want to really consider. And the hard protocol token also has been kind of going up relatively in price and hasn't really like significantly down as time has gone on. But I think it does require some level of utility in the future, or some type of a governance. I'm not exactly on the right sure about what is the token kind of meant to do in this aspect, outside from giving rewards people for staking and supplying tokens into the market. But thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys on the next video, which will be coming out today as well. And I will be seeing you guys soon. Cheers.